students and faculty of St Dunstan's College. Today, we gather to celebrate and acknowledge the significant events in Black history. It is time to reflect upon the struggles, triumphs, and contributions of the Black community in shaping the nation we know today. Throughout history, the Black community in the UK has faced numerous challenges, from the days of slavery and colonialism to the fight for civil rights and equality. But within these struggles, there have been remarkable moments that have paved the way for progress and change. One such event that stands out is the arrival of the Windrush generation. In 1948, the Empire Windrush ship docked in Tilbury, carrying hundreds of Caribbean migrants who were invited to help rebuild post-war Britain. Their arrival marked the beginning of a new chapter in UK history, as they brought with them their culture, talents, and determination to succeed. The contributions of the Windrush generation have enriched the fabric of British society, from music and literature to politics and sports. In the 1960s and 1970s, the Black community in the UK faced racial discrimination and inequality. It was during this time that the Bristol bus boycott took place, led by Dr. Paul Stephenson and the West Indian Development Council. This boycott was pivotal in movements to fight against racial segregation, as it highlighted the need for equal treatment and opportunities for all. The courage and resilience for those involved in the boycott paved the way for significant changes in legislation and attitudes towards racial equality. Another significant event in UK Black history is the Notting Hill Carnival. Originating in 1966, vibrant celebrations of Caribbean culture has become the largest street festival in Europe. The carnival showcases the rich diversity and artistic expression of the Black community, bringing people of all walks of life together in a spirit of unity and joy. It is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Black community, as well as a reminder of the importance of cultural heritage and inclusivity. In recent years, the Black Lives Matter movement has gained momentum in the UK, echoing the global call for justice and the end to systemic racism. The movement has sparked important conversations about racial inequality, police brutality, and the need for meaningful change. It has brought people from all backgrounds together, demanding a society that values and respects the lives of Black individuals. The impact of the Black Lives Matter movement has been profound, leading to increased awareness, policy reform, and a renewed commitment to dismantling systemic racism. These events, among many others, have shaped the narrative of Black history in the UK. They remind us of the resilience, strength, and contributions of the Black community, and they serve as a call for action of a more inclusive and equitable society. As we celebrate UK Black history events, let us not only remember the struggles, but also honour the achievements and contributions of the Black community. Let us continue to educate ourselves, challenge prejudice, and work towards a future where equality and justice are truly realised for all. My poem. In the tapestry of time, a story unfolds of triumphs and struggles, of stories untold. Black history, a journey of strength and might, where heroes emerge as a beacon of light. From ancient civilizations, mighty and grand, to the shores of Africa, where it all began. Great kingdoms rose with wisdom and grace, leaving legacies that time cannot erase. Then came the dark days of the transatlantic trade, where shackles and chains cause hearts to fade. But through the pain, resilience took flight as voices rose, demanding equal rights. Harriet Tubman, a conductor of freedom's train, guiding slaves to safety through hardships and pain. Her bravery and courage, a beacon of hope, leading the way, helping others to cope. In the fight for justice, Rosa Parks took a stand. Refusing to yield, she made a demand. As the Montgomery bus boycott took command. Martin Luther King Jr., a dreamer so bold, with words that inspired, his message untold. Marching for equality, hand in hand, his dream of unity still echoing across the land. Malcolm X, a voice of empowerment and pride, urging Black communities to stand side by side. His call for self-determination, a powerful plea to break the chains of oppression and be truly free. In the realm of sports, legends did rise, breaking barriers, reaching for the skies. Jesse Owen defying Hitler's reign, proving that talent knows no color or chain. And in the arts, a cultural revolution took flight with Langston Hughes and Maya Angelou's might. Their words, like poetry, danced on the page, celebrating Black beauty, resilience, and rage. From the first Black president breaking the mold to the rise of Black Lives Matter, brave and bold. Black history, a tapestry woven with care, a testament to strength, love, and power to dare. So let us honor the past, embrace the present, and strive for a future where all are pleasant. For Black history is not confined to a month, but to a legacy of greatness forever to confront. Together, resilience and inclusion can drive social progress, spark innovation, and build bridges of understanding. They remind us that our differences are our strengths and that by working together, we can create a more just and inclusive society. So let us embrace resilience in the face of challenges, knowing that we have the power to overcome and thrive. Let us champion inclusion, creating spaces where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. And let us remember, by nurturing resilience and fostering inclusion, we can build a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you for your time. Peace.